I bet you didn't know how much YouTube creators can earn. It's time to find out their secrets. Top YouTube creators are raking in big bucks. But how do they do it? Let's dive into their money-making secrets. Creators like MrBeast say it's all about consistency. Post regularly and keep your audience hooked. Content is king, he says. Then there's Emma Chamberlain. She believes in staying authentic. Be yourself, and brands will notice, she shares. Sponsored content can be a goldmine if you partner with the right brands. And let's not forget about merch. Logan Paul made millions selling his Maverick brand. Got a unique style or slogan? Put it on a t-shirt. Another tip? Diversify your income streams. Think memberships, super chats, and even exclusive courses. PewDiePie does it, and so can you. Finally, remember to engage with your community. Casey Neistat says, your audience is your lifeline. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build that connection. So there you have it. Secrets from the top. Now go out there, be consistent, stay authentic, and engage with your fans. Who knows? You might be the next YouTube sensation.